A little bit of fog, yes, in spots further inland near the lake, but I don't expect too much fog just because, one, it's very cloudy, and we do have a pretty good breeze, even though it's light this morning. But when you have cloudy skies, it's harder for the fog to develop at the surface. You could have some low-lying clouds nonetheless. But anyway, you know, the main story here is the fact that we're going to get some heavy rainfall, especially tomorrow. But also out ahead of that heavy rain today, on and off showers, and it's getting windy. So that is putting out those hazardous conditions for beach and boating. It is just not the type of weather to head out to the beach at all, or even to take the boats out. Here's the setup. So you got a low over the Gulf of Mexico. Today we have a stall front basically over us. By tomorrow, that low gets a little closer to Florida, coming in from the west. But at the same time, there's an area of low pressure that develops southwest of the Keys. And this low is going to strengthen and gain a center of circulation. It doesn't have the chance for tropical formation, but this is what's going to draw in tropical moisture from the Caribbean. And so starting tomorrow afternoon, you see some heavy rain spreading across the area. Then by Thursday morning, we still have thunderstorms, but by later in the afternoon, most of the rain pulls away. It still stays windy. Speaking of rain, we have shower activity mainly for the Treasure Coast. Right now, most of the showers are just to the west of I-95, but we got a good shower that's headed your way into the Jupiter to Cuesta area. So heads up, you'll probably get that in a few minutes. Lots of cloud cover out there if you're not getting the rain. Speaking of, again, the rain, we're picking up 2 to 5 inches starting tomorrow afternoon through Thursday morning, locally up to 6 inches. And that's why there's that flood watch in effect for Wednesday through Thursday. So that's the worst of the weather this week. Then by Friday, much better weather arrives, less humid conditions, and nice and dry, mainly dry for Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures will remain in the low 80s.